So the elephant on the reformer. Fantastic abdominal one, fantastic shoulder control one, shoulder stability one. So let's just bring it into the start position, because there's a few variations you can have on this one. Some people have the heels back here, some in the middle, some a little bit further forward. What I like to do is play around with all three, because you're killing all the birds with one stone. Okay, so your feet are somewhere in the middle, towards the back, that's fine. About hip socket distance apart. The key for the feet is it's the heels. Keep the heels heavy. I actually try and lift my toes off, to be honest with you. Now you want to be like in my head, I visualize an Indian elephant. It's called the elephant. So the carriage is into the stopper. You want to pull the belly button into the spine, and you want a nice curve. I drop the head slightly. You've got a lovely curve in the whole spine. One big muscle group that helps you do that is the abdominals. Now, for me here, so you're dropping the head down, this area doesn't want to move. That's the skill with this one, makes a shoulder stabilizer and strengthener, or certainly a stabilizer. Keep that still. Now, it's not a big movement out, and I certainly don't like a big movement out, probably about 6 or 8 inches. With your heels, keeping that still, just push the heels away, and then pause. So your back is flattened a little bit. Keep the shoulders where they are. Now bring it in with the heels, and you want to cat it, you want to elephant it up. Bring it right in, right in, right in. So it's not a big movement. Away you go. We've got a light spring on here, which means it's bloody hard. Heavy resistance, it's easier. But this stays still. I like to visualize. I like to look down at something, and it doesn't want, it's called a parallax. You don't want it to move. You want your eyesight to stay still. Calf stretch, good calf stretch. Posterior tibialis a little bit as well. You okay with that? Mm-hmm. Now where you'd be going with that is there's no resistance now, so just be careful. With a client, I'll always stand behind them here just in case they lose the integrity, and it's mechanical, something has got to give. Take up that extra slack that the spring was doing, and it's usually abdominals.
Oh yeah, that's a
Feel
lot.
that big time?
Ooh.
Very good abdominal one now.
Really good in abdominals.
Things to really watch for.
And the shoulders.
They're fantastic on the shoulders, shoulder stabilizer. The heels, the movement out is the heels, the movement in is with the heels are heavy. You'll sometimes see people go up on the toes. You want to see the different shape in the spine. It's curved, round, and it comes a little bit, not massive movement, but a little bit flat as you take it away. You curve it in. And again, the other thing that's just to label the point is this stays still. The head stays still, the shoulder stays still. That's a fantastic shoulder one. You okay with that? Let me just put resistance there from a safety point of view. And that's the elephant on the reformer.